Good day, ma'am. My name is Rasha G. Espinosa, and I am 18 years old, and I'm from Proctors Nisibulan, Monte Vista, Davao de Oro, and here's my presentation about vision, mission, core values, and goals. Vision, a transformative learning institution producing global competitive graduates. Mission, to deliver quality education and dynamic instruction, relevant researches and sustainable extension program carrying towards socioeconomic development. Goals. Core values, MONCAST. M is for moral uprightness, O is for optimism, N is for nationalism, C is for compassion, A is for adaptability, S is for service, T is for teamwork. Goals. Number 1. Produce competent graduates. Number 2. Foster story linkage and network. Number 3. Synergize human capital. And that's all. Thank you, ma'am.